How to set up your first budget in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Here you will see the new plan option. Tap on it and give your plan a name. Then choose your preferred currency, number format, currency placement and date format. After filling all the details, tap on the Create button to finalize your setup. Next, you will be asked to enter your monthly income. Simply fill it out so the app knows how much money you have available to budget. You will then see sections like bills, needs and wants. You can add targets to each of them, create new categories or remove the ones you don't need. Once you have made your choices, tap the next button at the top. YNAB will now prompt you to add your accounts such as checking, savings or credit cards. You can either link your bank directly or add them manually. This step helps YNAB understand how much real money you have to assign across your categories. Next, it's time to start assigning your money. You will see categories like bills, needs and wants, enter amount for things like rent, groceries and utilities. As you assign money, you will notice your available balance adjusting in real time, showing how much is left to allocate or if you have gone over. You can always adjust these amounts later depending on your spending and priorities. Once your setup is complete, you will be able to easily track your spending, update categories, and manage your money with more confidence every month. Now you know how to set up your first budget in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.